Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
In the first case, noise insulation of car doors is one of the stages of the complex of works on soundproofing in general. In the second, a way to reduce the negative impact of door vibration and extraneous noises on the acoustic picture in the car interior. How to eliminate unnecessary noise with your own hands. Any work begins with the preparation of the necessary tools and auxiliary materials. To install door noise insulation with your own hands, you will definitely need screwdrivers, flat, Phillips or Torx, star, knife, and scissors, roller for rolling the material, degreaser. Possible combination of sound-absorbing materials. The process of doorway soundproofing. Initially, it is necessary to remove the inner door trim. The car repair manual will tell you how to do this correctly. In advance, you need to buy a set of new fastening pistons. As a rule, you can use them only once. Next, it is necessary to dismantle all the insides, so that they do not interfere with the application of the material. The standard noise and vibration protection must also be carefully removed. Example of a door card piston. When there is nothing to interfere with the work inside the door, you can start applying vibration dampening material with your own hands. It is needed to get rid of its own vibration of the outer panel of the door, which itself can be a source of additional noise. It is glued to the panel not as a solid sheet, but in staggered pieces, and only on the plane. There is no need to glue the stiffening ribs. It is necessary to carefully roll the material with a roller, so that there are no air bubbles between it and the surface of the door. Make sure that all pulls of the opening mechanism can move freely. The next step will be the pasting of sound-absorbing material. It is he who ensures the absence of noise, absorbing excess sound. The sound-absorbing material is glued over the entire surface of the door panel. It should cover a maximum of its area, at least 80% of the available area. The main thing is not to overdo it and not to cover the door drainage holes. The inner door frame must also be treated. After installing the interior equipment, the openings in the inner frame are first sealed with specialized foil and then with vibration-absorbing material. Proper noise insulation of car doors implies the application of vibration-isolating and noise-absorbing material on the inner upholstery. Without this, the treatment will be incomplete and the quality will be inadequate. The door trim, although not made of metal, itself serves as a good resonator of acoustic vibrations. First, vibration-absorbing material is glued to flat surfaces, and then the surface is glued with a noise insulator. The edges of the upholstery are treated with anti-squeak material. Advantages and disadvantages of additional noise insulation. After the noise insulation of the car doors is finished, the owner receives the following advantages. The noise level in the cabin will be significantly reduced, the amount of vibrations will be reduced, the sound of doors closing will become quieter and softer, the sound of the acoustic system will be improved. The disadvantages include the increased total weight of the structure. Accordingly, the load on the hinges will also increase. Side effects. It is necessary to mention an additional side effect of car noise insulation. After treatment with vibration and noise-absorbing materials, thermal insulation improves. Thanks to pasting in winter, the cabin warms up faster and cools down slower. In summer, on the contrary, the sun heats up the car more slowly because of the additional insulation, as it retains not only sound, but also heat. If necessary, you can further strengthen the heat protection by using specialized materials for gluing body parts and doors. The car should be insulated after noise insulation, with an additional layer. Heat insulators based on polyethylene foam are well suited for this purpose. Thickness should be selected based on the climatic conditions of the place where the car is used. The main thing is not to overdo it and not to weigh the car too much. In conclusion, properly insulating your car doors is a crucial step towards enhancing your driving experience by reducing noise and improving comfort. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can effectively tackle this project on your own, saving both time and money. Remember to choose the right materials and take your time during the installation process for the best results. With a little effort, you can enjoy a quieter ride and a more pleasant atmosphere inside your vehicle. Thank you for watching, and happy insulating!